Hello, my creative and enthusiastic learners. Life is going smooth for all of us due to some inventions of the past. One among them is the invention of the wheel, without which our lives would have been restricted to one place only. So, let's study about the invention of the wheel. What do you see over here? Well, over here we see different types of transport like a bus, a car, and a bicycle. So, can you find out what is common among all of these means of transport? Yes, it is the wheel. The bus has got the wheels, the car has got the wheels, and even the bicycle has got wheels. So, wheels are very important for most of the means of transport because it is a part of vehicle that help it to move. Can any vehicle move without wheels? Your answer would be no, as wheel is important for most of the transport. So let's find out how the wheel was invented. The greatest inventors are unknown to us. Someone invented the wheel, but who? The story begins a long time ago when there were no wheels. It is believed that the wheel was invented by the early man. Early men lived many years ago. They were very much different from us. They lived in caves and forests to protect themselves from wild animals and bad weather. They were hunter gatherers. They ate roots, fruits, and flesh of animals. For getting flesh, they have to go for hunting, and for that, they have to travel long distances. After the hunting was done and the prey was killed, they have to carry their prey back to their home. For that, again, they have to go back home carrying a large animal on the back. Don't you think it was tiring? Of course, it was tiring as it was very difficult to walk carrying such a heavy load. So, he started using wild animals like horses, mules, donkeys to carry loads for long distances. As all of you have heard the important saying, necessity is the mother of invention. So early human thought of inventing some mode of transport. To carry heavy loads, man developed a wooden cart. And to move the wooden cart, early man had to spend a lot of energy. So he started using animals to move the cart. However, it was easy to move the cart on a smooth surface, but it was very difficult to move it on the uneven surface. But they didn't lose hope and tried and tried. One day, an early man saw a log of wood rolling down the hill. He wanted to lift it, but it was too heavy. He slightly pushed it. It started rolling. He was surprised that he could push it very easily. So now, what did he do? He cut the log into circular shaped wheels. Do you know why was it cut into circular shaped wheel? Because that shape helped the wooden log to roll and move forward easily. Hence, the first wheel was invented. Now they formed the first mode of transport with wheels. What did they do over here? They attached a wooden piece to the wooden wheels and formed the wooden cart. Hence, the wooden cart was the first mode of transport with wheels. How did this wooden cart help the early man? Now it was easy for them to transport heavy loads. As years passed by, human beings formed a new type of transport where they attached the wooden carts to the animals like bullocks and horses, and hence they formed bullock cart and horse carts. So even now, wheels are so important to us that in most of the means of transport, wheels are used, and that too in circular shape. So the invention of the wheel has laid foundation of the modern technology. So we can say the invention of the wheel is a crowning achievement of early mankind. Thank you.